Stricter rules. Voting system drug regulator overhauls expert panel rules. In a significant overhaul of India's drug regulatory ecosystem, the Central Drug Standard Control Organization (CSCO) has released a fresh guidance document detailing how the apex panel of experts subject expert committees (SECs) must function. The move adds transparency and defined accountability to a process that has long operated in a more discretionary space. The 2025 version, seen by News 18, marks the first comprehensive codification of SEC procedures in years, and replaces a patchwork of circulars, internal SOPs, and oral conventions with a structured, transparent playbook. From how experts are chosen, to how decisions are recorded, and even how applicants must prepare their presentations, everything is now under formal guidance. None of the most important changes, in the 15-page document, is the formalization of how experts are selected to serve on SECs, which advise CSCO on new drug approvals, clinical trials, medical devices, and biologics. Unlike the earlier system, where expertise was evaluated informally, the new guidelines require committee members to have a minimum of 10 domain-specific publications and a citation-to-publication ratio of at least 21. The document says that experts who routinely skip meetings may now face removal, marking a new level of performance accountability. This is probably the first time such precise metrics have been applied to scientific advisors in the Indian regulatory system, a senior official familiar with the matter told News 18. The role of SEC panel has also been clarified. Guiding discussions, ensuring all members contribute, maintaining order, clarifying ambiguities, mediating disagreements, preparing structured meeting materials. And while SECs have always given recommendations, the process behind those decisions was opaque. The expert panel plays key roles in approving drugs, vaccines, cosmetics, and clinical trials. Based on SECs recommendations, DCGI approves or rejects the applications. The new rules introduce formal voting mechanisms, including open voting, question-based votes, and recommendation-specific polling. Subject expert committee may use a voting mechanism to determine their recommendations: open voting, question-based voting, recommendation-based voting. Read document. The majority of the experts will prevail in decision-making. The CSCO ultimately makes the final decision, but the committee's vote is highly influential. And according to the guidance document, meeting minutes are now mandated to be finalized the same day and circulated within 7 working days. The minutes should be prepared on the same day, and after approval by SEC, the final minutes should be shared with the stakeholder within 7 working days. Swipe left for next video. Applicants, 2, are required to send briefing materials and presentation decks at least 5 days before the meeting, a move designed to curb last-minute lobbying or data dumps. The applicant should avoid including irrelevant or promotional information. Latest blogs.